First, park your 4Runner on a flat surface, turn off the engine, and open the rear hatch. Access the taillight housing by removing the plastic interior trim panel in the cargo area. It's secured by clips and screws. Once exposed, unscrew the two 10mm bolts holding the taillight assembly in place. Gently pry the assembly out, disconnecting the wiring harness by unclipping or pushing in the connector. This process gives you access to the bulbs for replacement. To replace a bulb, twist and pull the old one out. The turn signal bulb is typically a 7443A amber or 7440 Na clear. The reverse bulb is usually a 921 white, and the taillight brake bulb is often a 7443 dual filament. When installing new bulbs, particularly LEDs, ensure correct polarity. Reassemble the taillight by reversing the removal steps. Reconnect the wiring harness, align the assembly, and secure it with the two 10mm bolts. Before closing the hatch, test all lights to ensure they function properly. Consider applying butyl tape to reseal the housing if modified, preventing water ingress.